Ito, Luksin, medyo maluwag sa kanya yung bola. Hizon, nakakuha ng buwelo. Pumasok! 3-point shot! Mustre, from way outside. Pasok din ng kanyang triple B. Baldavid to Hizon. He's on fire!
Ito, napapatakbo pa ang San Miguel Beer, although they have now an open layup from Mark de la Cruz. Mga kaibigan, sa NBA on IBC on Thursday.
At yan ang tira po ni Nelson Asaytono. Nasundutan mula sa likod and Abuda credited with that steal from behind. Oh, hindi ko inulam yung tira ni Asaytono. Could have brought the house down. See you live dito po sa Cuneta Astrodome, lungsod ng Pasay. Ito yung starting five natin kinito para sa Gordons at San Miguel.
Magaganda itong mga matchups natin. David Racela, the point guard. Yung sentro, is something that we should watch out for. Marlo Aquino versus Nelson Asaytono. Asaytono has been the man to guard Marlo Aquino in the previous matchups between Gordons at saka San Miguel Beer.
At hindi natin nakipakita kanina. Tignan muna natin itong kaliwa ni Hizon na pa-reverse. Pasok agad.
Well, biglang nawala doon si De La Cruz in that defensive matchup. Mabilis talaga ang first step ito ni Vince Hizon.
First offensive ng San Miguel Beer. At hindi natin nakipakita kanina yung numero itong si Nelson Asaytono against Gordon's Gin partner. Malaking numero pinapakita. Samantala, Racela opening things para sa San Miguel Beer. Well, you have a lot of things to say about also Racela din para sa kupunan ng San Miguel.
Totoo yan. Well, nabanggit ko si Nelson Asaytono. In the 3 games that San Miguel Beer has played against Gordons, ito ang kanyang output, 36, 35, 38. Hindi po yung vital statistics. And, but as far as Asaytono is concerned, very vital yung statistics na yun.
Ito yung pinapakita, sabi mo,
yes,
dito. Paborito niya pala ang Gordon.
Explosive output by Asaytono in the 3 games that San Miguel Beer has played against Gordons.
Mamaya, meron tayong kontra statistic yan. Pattern samantala, kinatawan nitong si Dudut Jaworski, si Art de la Cruz. And for a while, mo, may yung isang column na naisulat mo about Dudut Jaworski coming in. nagiging target siya ng opensa ng kabilang koponan. Whoever is being guarded by Dudut
Well,
Jaworski.
totoo yan. No? Dudut Jaworski, more or less, pwede natin masabi, parang defensive liability siya ng Gordon's Gin. No? He's there for offensive purposes. He's got a good 3-point bomb. And parang lucky charm yan ng coach Robert Jaworski. The fact that he starts the game for Gordon's Gin every time out. No? Pero meron siyang konting weakness, no, sa kanyang lateral mobility, and that is being attacked by the offensive player.
At itong si Art de la Cruz, very consistent siya kinito para sa San Miguel Beer.
Yes.
So, first point for Art de la Cruz, and this is 3-2 San Miguel Beer. First time na lumamang po dito sa laro.
And you got a glimpse of both coaches, Robert Jaworski Sr. at si Ron Jacobs.
Baldavid to Hizon. He's on fire!
At part sa nakikita natin, we expected that Art de la Cruz will be the man taking up Vince Hizon defensively. But it is Mustre, and sa tingin ko, Mustre may not be able to keep in step with Vince Hizon. No? You need to have to play physical against Vince Hizon. Yan ang tira ni Dudut.
And opening things para sa Gordon's Gin. Dalawang tira mula sa labas partner. Pasok para sa Gordon's.
Dudut Jaworski, that's what he's known for. Yan ang sinasabi natin. No? You expect his offensive man to drive against him. You do not shoot over Dudut Jaworski. Ito yung isang matinding matchup din.
Oo, Asaytono tsaka Luksin. And we'd love to see this. Kapos yung tira ni Nelson Asaytono.
Bothered by the defense of Noli Locsin. Ito na ang Gordon's Gin. Transition attack!
Oh, yes!
2 points by the tank!
O, kanina, no, bago tayo magsimula nito, may sinabagit ka tungkol sa Gordon's Gin being the leader in terms of transition points.
Yes, 14.3 fast break points on the average by Gordon's Gin. That's the league's #1 output. At the San Miguel naman is the least fast-breaking team in the whole league, averaging only 6.5 fast break points.
Still no go para sa San Miguel Beer, 8-3. Oh, ito na ang atake
Bilis
nila.
ka naman ang atake ng Gordon's Gin. This is the way that Gordon's likes to play. A fast game.
And foul there on Nelson Asaytono. 2 free throws para kay Marlo Aquino. Well, Nelson Asaytono, first foul niya yan kinito. And you mentioned about the average of Asaytono, about 36 points against Gordon. Pero yung naitala mong 4 wins at 4 losses ng San Miguel, hindi ganun ka-aktibo dapat itong si Asay Tono in
Well,
terms of point
Randy, meron
production.
tayong nakitang statistics very glaring, no? In the last 4 wins of San Miguel Beer, ang average ni Saitono, 19.75. But in the last 4 losses, mataas, 31.75. And it's very clear that San Miguel Beer is now getting more production from Asaytono's teammates rather than exclusively concentrating on Asaytono for offense.
Umaasahan nating mas maraming hahawak ng bola titira para sa San Miguel.
Well, not only that, no? If that is true, that San Miguel Beer now gets even distribution of points from 5 players and not just Asaytono, it will allow Asaytono to play tough defense on Marlo Aquino, and that is what is needed because kailangan ng San Miguel Beer ang post defender.
At dito naman, itong Gordon's Gin, yung depensa nila kinito, hindi mapasok ng San Miguel. Ilang beses nang natatapigan. At eto, Locsin, medyo maluwag sa kanya yung bola. Hizon, nakakuha ng buwelo. Pumasok! 3-point shot!
And there will be a foul committed at the same time that shot was taken, so they will give a bonus. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, dapat yung bonus for Vince Hizon. Hindi.
Basket counts at binigyan ng si Locsin ang titira dahil siya yung finaul ni Mike Mustre sa may
Okay.
ilalim. And that's the
Well,
bonus
it's
na
just-
sinasabi
okay,
mo.
that's the bonus that I was talking about. So you get an extra shot because that foul was committed at the same time the shot was taken.
And Locsin.
Parang 4-point play yun.
Oo!
But the man who was fouled was the man who took the bonus free throw.
And itong si Locsin, first point niya, samantalang si Vince Season, 7 points, wala pang sablay partner itong
Yes,
si Vince
and
Season.
very good start here for Gordon's Gin because this is the kind of game that Gordon's likes to play. A fast-paced, up-tempo style.
Abuda, paling doon sa kanan yung kanyang tira.
Partner, 2 hurried shots. No? San Miguel Beer is being forced to play the kind of game that Gordon's likes, which is fast. Hindi sila nag-execute. They're not taking their time.
Wala error sa bahagi ng Gordon's Gin.
Ito, napapatakbo pa ang San Miguel Beer, although they have now an open layup from Mark de la Cruz.
Oo, nagmula yun sa isang maling pasa at nakashoot itong si Art de la Cruz. But an 8-point lead still para sa Gordon's Gin Boars.
Okay, notice that San Miguel's defense now meeting the ball carrier up high because they want to chop off seconds from the shot clock. And that defense bothered Vince Hizon.
O,
Saka you notice in that offensive set, nung nag-cross si Vince Hizon, isa lang ang nakahawak ng bola, si Hizon lang. You need good ball movement against a team that plays tough defense like San Miguel.
Mustre from way outside. Pasok din yung kanyang triple B. Maganda
5
itong barilan, ha?
points by San Miguel Beer.
At well, si Mustre, importante rin to para sa kupunan ng San Miguel, kinito.
Totoo yan because nakakatira sa labas and meron siyang penetrating ability. Ito na, low post play on Marlo Aquino. Nakawala!
Oo, at gipit na gipit. Oh. Naipit siya hanggang sa dulo ng baseline kinito. Kaya medyo pangit yung tira doon ni Marlo Aquino. Halos mauntog na doon sa may board. Pero si Mustre ba? Lumapit na si Mike. Ito yung gusto niya, yung sumasaksak sa loob. Lalabas ang bola. Natapik ni Baldavid. Tingnan natin ang silbato. Bola ng San Miguel Beer. 10 segundo para tumira ang mga Beermen. Walamang lamang ng 5 Gordon's Gin Boars. 13-8, 6 minutes and 47 dito po sa first quarter.
Post up move.
At sablay at kinakatawan ni Dodot itong si Art de la Cruz.
That De La Cruz looking for the foul from Dodot Jaworski. Jaworski standing his ground.
Baldavid tapos at puro puti yung nandun sa rebound play na
Pero
yung
kita
kinito.
mo, ang Gordon's Gin, they really want to play up-tempo. They're not waiting for the shot clock to run down. They're taking quick shots.
At kung titignan natin yung mga 15 segundos
Ito na naman.
atake na naman. Uy, hindi pumasok ang tira. Tapik sa loob. Hindi pumasok.
Pero partner, iisa lang ang bumaba for Gordon's Gin, si Noli Locsin. And there were 4 white shirts very quick to get back on defense to stop the transition basket.
The handoff to Abuda means 2 points para sa San Miguel. 3 na lang ang lamang ng Gordon at eksaktong 6 na minuto dito sa first quarter. At
Partner, assist pass coming from Nelson Asaytono.
so, yung sinasabi mong ini-involve yung teammates niya.
Yes. Ito yung tira ni Dodot sa labas.
Well, meron pang good 18 seconds yung tumira siya. At sumablay naman, ito si Olsen Rosella against Baldavid. Well, both speedy backcourt player. Kumanap ng pasa. Art de la Cruz, umatake na naman at mukhang si Dodot Jaworski ang matatawagan dun sa saksak ni Art de la Cruz.
Ayun yung sinasabi natin kanina, no? You do not shoot over Dodot Jaworski. You drive against him.
Well,
Si
Vince
Hison
Hison
ang
must go for
natawagan
the
ng
foul.
foul.
Totala, meron po tayong timeout. Lamang ng tatlong Gordons. Magbabalik kami ni Kinito.
Green Cross Rubbing Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
5 minuto, 34 na segundo dito sa first quarter. And Art de la Cruz at the stripe. Second time dito sa first quarter.
Partner, that's 8 straight points now scored by San Miguel Beer after Gordon's Gin streaked to a 10-point lead.
Ito si Art de la Cruz. Consistent yung 12-12 niya no, per game para sa San Miguel. And he just cut down the lead to a single o to a point. 13-12 na ngayon. Kinito.
Oh, malaking contribution ni Art de la Cruz, not only offensively but defensively. Patang hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ginagwardiyahan niya si Dodo Jaworski. No?
O at yung pinunto mo na si Musre ang umahawak kay Hison. Baka mamaya magpapalit yan. Samantala, the Slayer, hindi pasok ang tira nitong si Valdavid.
Well, bumababa na ang field goal percentage ng Gordon's Gin.
O, pagkatapos ang 4 na sunod-sunod na walang sablayan, 3 coming from Vince Hison, isa galing sa 3-point shot, hindi nakakashoot pa muli.
Ito, post-up move na naman,
Mhm.
but De La Cruz had to give up the ball.
So, double team itong si Valdavid pagdating sa loob eh. Ngayon, lumihit at kapos yung reverse. Mas madali din si Art de la Cruz at ito si Dodot Jaworski para sa Gordon's Gin. Medyo bumagal ngayon ang kanilang opensa. Nasundutan mula sa likod and Abuda credited with that steal from
Yeah.
behind. Oh! Pili ko inulam yung tira niya sa Itono. Could have brought the house down. Well, Valdavid, didiskartehan na ngayon. Gusto na nila ng play dito, Kinito.
Well, here, Gordon's Gin now has to play the half court. At kita natin, ha? May double team kagad kay Locsin, but Valdavid ringing the bell from the outside.
Gusto ni Valdavid itong kalaro itong San Miguel Beer, no?
Oo nga, napapansin nga natin.
Parang iba yung kumpiyansa niya. Eh.
Siya ang
Oo.
pumapatay sa San Miguel Beer.
And this early, itong si Valdavid nakapag-guslo na. Lamang pa rin ng Gordon's Gin. 3 ngayon ang dala nila, 15-12. The pass inside, and aside ito, parang nagdidikoy siya dito, Kinito, ha?
Mustre,
Mhm.
almost open. Now he's open at wala.
Oo. Eto, takbo na naman itong Gordon's Gin. Sigurado, kakayod itong mga to. Hison, eye in the sky, nakapos ng konti. Aquino, lampas yung tira ni Nelson, ni Marlo. And Locsin losing the handle. Eto, takbo ang San Miguel Beer. Mustre. Lumapit minsan, good fake there by Mustre. Hindi pumasok. Abuda, the hard-working Freddy Abuda for San Miguel Beer.
Well, ibang klase din ang ginagalaw nitong Freddy Abuda. And he's a tireless workhorse sa loob ng court, no? Going for those boards, offensive, defensive rebounds. Of course, what made that happen was Aquino had to play help defense. And he will score that basket.
Yes.
As I told, giving up the foul. That's number 2 on Nelson at hindi pa siya nakaka-score. Meron pang bonus kay Marlo Aquino.
Very important. Ito muli yung kilos ni Marlo Aquino. Naiwan niya na rito eh. No? At pagbangga, alam mo, kawala na itong si Marlo Aquino dun sa kanyang layup. At yung sinasabi niya sa ito, hinawakan na siya sa metaligiran nitong si Marlo.
Well, actually, the error was on Nelson Asaitono kasi masyado niyang dinikitan. No? You do not play that kind of sticky defense on Marlo Aquino when he's that far away from the basket because you allow him to take the jump shot. But you have to give some room for him because he might drive, which is what he did. If you play too close to him, matadrivean ka ni Marlo Aquino, mapapabayaan ka and you will be left behind.
Abuda, tumingin muna kung maganda ang sipat niya. Pero hindi maganda yung kanyang tira. 4 ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin, 18-14. Balik kay Valdavid mula kay Locsin. Dudot, umispat sa 3-point country. Hindi pumasok. And Marlo Aquino, offensive board and the putback para sa kanya.
Well, that time, the ball had a nice bounce, a longish bounce, and that fell into the hands of Marlo Aquino, although Aquino was not in rebounding position. Iba na ang matangkad, ika nga.
At pinakita yun ni Marlo Aquino. 6 ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin, 20-14. Dito sa baging ito ng first quarter, 2 minuto mahigit ang nalalabi. Rosella, hindi makipagpag si David. Napunta kay Asaitono. Sweet shot for Nelson. And only the first 2 points para kay Nelson.
Pero partner, controlling ang tempo ng Gordon's Gin. They are dictating the pace of this game so far.
Kung kailan nila gusto tumakbo, tatakbo sila. Ito si Mustre. Tinaharangan si Hison. Balibag si Mustre. Tuloy pa rin si Hison. Nilabas kay Valdavid from 3-point country. Umasinta. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Valdavid. At tatakbo naman ng San Miguel. 4 sa 3 kanilang numero sa transition. Asaitono!
Ito si Nelson Asaitono. Mukha yata napanood si Michael Jordan kagabi sa ating NBA program.
Gagawa rin kaya ng 55. At eto, agapay na naman ng San Miguel Beer.
Partner, yun ang pinag-uusapan ngayon ng tao, ha? Jordan scoring 55 points to lead Chicago Bulls to a victory in Game 2 of the series against the Washington Bullets. Game 3, mga kaibigan, sa NBA on IBC on Thursday.
At yan ang tira po ni Nelson Asaytono. Sa 1 minuto 37 segundo at itong San Miguel, kalat kay Dick, nasa loob na. Maraming pinaltan sa kumpulan ng San Miguel, kunito.
Actually, lahat yata except Art De La Cruz.
At,
And Arnold Gamboa nandyan, si Edward Naron, Ives Ignadice.
apat na bago. Lamang ng 2 puntos ang Gordon. 4 na segundo para tumira. Gamboa against Aquino. Traveling si Arnold Gamboa.
Well, shot clock almost running out on San Miguel Beer. But the man who's not likely to be the major offensive option, Arnold Gamboa, had the ball.
At sa kanya naiwan yung bola. He's up against Marlo Aquino.
Mabigat-bigat na din na depensa ni Marlo Aquino and Arnold Gamboa. Okay, looking for execution dito.
Bumubuka dito, kinito yung opensa ng Gordon. Ito, Dudut Jaworski with the ball.
Well, the reason why they're doing that is because they want to set up Marlo Aquino at the low post. Ito, tumira si Dodot sa labas. May nakakuha ng offensive.
Tingnan natin, foul. Si Noli Locsin, tinuturo siya ni referee De Leo na
Si
tinulak.
Locsin ang naka-foul.
Noli Locsin, number 1.
Partner, the reason why Gordon Ginn was spreading out the offense was to allow, number 1, a cutter to move in or to set the play for Marlo Aquino to low post, because once you spread your offense, you also spread the defense. And when Marlo Aquino is low posting, with the defense spread out, mahihirapan sila mag-double. And Marlo Aquino, of course, will have his way if he's just being played straight up on defense kung siya naglo-low post.
Ito naman yung isolation para kay Art De La Cruz against Dodot Jaworski, and sideline inbound dahil nauna yung foul bago makatira itong si Art De La Cruz. Pero pangatlo na yan, hindi ako nagkakamali. Pangalawa lamang ni Dodot Jaworski.
Partner, you notice that Art De La Cruz continuing to drive against Dodot Jaworski. Tsaka kanina naagawan din si Dodot, no? Now, he still has to gain some confidence. So he thinks twice, thrice sometimes before releasing the pass. Kanya na-anticipate ng depensa kung anong galaw niya, no?
Yun again is the play para kay Art De La Cruz. Kumasin na ron, dinala niya yung tao niya at pipiit si Art De La Cruz sa may baseline, and foul na naman si Dodot Jaworski doon. Pangatlo yan ni Dodot at
They'll call the technical. May technical yata.
Technical ang Dodot Jaworski, partner. And a technical foul here on also on Coach Sonny Jaworski na tumawid dun sa hash line niya. Talking to the referee.
Father and son, nakakuha ng mga technical dito. Sabi siguro ni Senior, sinasabayan ko lang yung anak ko.
Pero ibig sabihin nito, 2 free throws para sa San Miguel Beer, lamang ng 2 Gordon.
Totoo yan. This is going to be a big swing.
Sa kanila pa bola niyan.
Yes, sa kanila ang bola because Gordon is still not in the penalty. But now they are. They already have 5 team fouls. So Alan Gaidic, fresh from the bench. Naipasok niya yung first free throw on the technical. And this is the second free throw now on the other technical.
This time kay Senior naman to. Dahil kanina yung kay Junior, ngayon kay Senior.
At tumabla na.
Well, now, Jaworski Jr. relieved by Wilmer Ong at, Ong plays a different type of defense compared to Dodot Jaworski.
That's true. Wilmer Ong uses a lot of body. Actually, so does Jaworski, but he has height. That's the big factor that Wilmer Ong has that Dodot does not have. He has height, he has good leaping ability, and plus he has experience.
Now it's Locsin covering Art De La Cruz. Patay na po ang oras sa shot clock ng San Miguel. At teka, foul away from the ball. Mukhang si Arnold Gamboa.
Yes. Gumalaw si Arnold. So before the man got possession, eto si Arnold Gamboa already moved, and that was a signal for the referee to call the illegal pick, because you do not set a pick and then you move at the same time.
Parencio pumasok sa
May last shot opportunity na yung
Oo.
Gordons.
Tignan natin ang ito. Hison against Alan Kaidik. Ginipet at pumaul. At tumimbre na yung ating buzzer para sa pagtatapos ng first quarter.
Oh,
May
partner, that was a
foul.
good foul to give because San Miguel Beer was not in the penalty.
Oo.
And the time has run out. And no free throws here for Gordon.
Yes, and so the first quarter, ang score po, nagtabla ang Gordon sa San Miguel, 20 all. Babalik kami para sa second quarter.